One.email. AI is a new software that's making waves in the digital marketing world, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve in digital marketing, this tool is something you'll want to check out. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing how you can try One.email AI for free, and you won't want to miss that. First off, One.email AI brings cutting-edge artificial intelligence to email marketing in a way that feels personal and efficient. It's designed to help businesses streamline their email campaigns, automatically generate high-converting email content, and optimize customer engagement, all with minimal input from you. What sets it apart is its ability to predict the best time to send emails and tailor messages to the recipient's behavior, which can significantly improve open rates and conversions. One of the key features that impressed me is the AI-driven segmentation. With One.email AI, you can segment your email list with incredible precision. The software uses data and machine learning to determine which audience groups are most likely to respond to specific content, making your email campaigns much more targeted and effective. Another standout feature is the dynamic content creation. You don't have to spend hours writing personalized copy for every recipient. One.email AI analyzes your audience's preferences and crafts messages that are highly relevant and engaging. Whether you're sending a promotional offer or a simple check-in, the software customizes each email to fit the recipient's needs. For businesses that are focused on improving customer retention, One.email AI offers automated follow-ups based on customer behavior. If a customer hasn't responded to an email, the software will automatically send a follow-up message, increasing the chances of re-engaging with that lead. This is a huge time saver and can be a game changer for improving your customer relationships. Now, One.email AI also integrates with most CRM systems, making it easy to sync your contacts and data without the hassle of manual imports and exports. This means you can focus more on strategy and less on technical setup, which is a massive plus if you're working with a limited team or resources. On the flip side, one thing you'll want to keep in mind is that, like any AI tool, it requires you to have some level of familiarity with email marketing best practices. It's not a complete plug-and-play solution. It works best when you have a clear understanding of your audience and objectives. If you're looking to scale your email marketing efforts, One.email AI can be an invaluable tool. It helps businesses of all sizes automate complex workflows and improve their email strategies. I recommend trying it for free through the link below and see how it can work for your business. Finally, after trying thousands of AI software tools, I've compiled a list of my top recommended ones in the description below. These are tools that can take your digital marketing to the next level, and many of them you can try for free. If you're serious about optimizing your email marketing, One.email AI should definitely be on your radar. So there you have it, 7 crucial things to know about One.email AI. Make sure to check it out, and don't forget to explore the other AI tools in the description that can help you supercharge your digital marketing efforts.